Good afternoon friends. Today we will be learning the easiest way to calculate the required energy. In the previous classes you have learned how to estimate one's requirement. There are so many ways. One you can learn from ICMR chart. The another easiest way is to multiply the ideal body weight with 30 for sedentary people. Now we know what is the requirement of a person. We have decided the calorie. From the calorie, we can estimate the protein, fat and carbohydrate. Okay. Now, how we will meet that energy? Kindly note down the table. This is the table of exchanges. You all very well know that what is exchanges. That one group members can be exchanged for another for the same family member, like cereals. One cereal can be exchanged for another cereal. One pulses can be exchanged for another pulses. So see, if we take 3 roti for breakfast, means we are taking almost 90 gram of wheat flour. One serving, one roti is equal to 30 gram. It may vary from 25 to 30. So calories also may vary from 80 to 100, but we will just estimate it to be 100 only. So 3 rotis for breakfast, 75 grams or approximately 90 grams of rice for lunch, and then again 3 roti for the dinner. Then the exchange is coming 9. Means 9 into 30 is equal to 270 grams. And one roti is providing you 100 kilocalories. So 900 kilocalories from cereals we have got. Now, for whomever you are just making the diet chart, you have to ask what is the person's 24-hour dietary requirement, because you don't know that the person is hard worker, means heavy worker, sedentary worker or moderate worker. So you have to ask. This is for sedentary. This is a simple one for sedentary. So you can take it as a sample, but this is not fixed. It has to be dynamic. Now, in India and in Jharkhand, mostly people take pulses one time only a day. So again, 1 katori dal, raw weight is 30 gram, and again it will provide you 100 grams of energy. Okay. Now milk. Most of people take 1 glass milk either in the breakfast time or in the bedtime. So in exchanges we learn that 100 ml is one exchange. So 1 glass contains about 20 to 50 ml. So the exchange becomes 2.5. And the energy is about 175, that is 67 into 2.5. Please calculate and confirm the value. Now for fruits, mango and banana are exceptional. They are giving you as many grams of fruit you eat, they will give you that much only energy. Means 100 gram banana may give you about 100 kilocalories. 100 grams mango may give you, it may be 90-95, means we approximately take it as 100. So but rest of the fruits like pear, papaya, apple, they will give you 50, about 50. So then how much fruits we are taking, we calculate about, we can say that 50 to 100, but it depends upon the type of fruit. Now for other vegetables, for green leafy vegetables also calorie may be 30 to 40. We can write a range 30 to 40. And for other vegetables like parval, tinda, kaddu and all, again it is 30 to 40 only, but okay. And for roots and tubers like potato, it is same as banana and mango, that how many grams of potato you will eat, it will give you equal amount of energy. It is 90 to 97, but estimated to be 100 only. So at least suppose that green leafy vegetables you are consuming half exchange, that is 50 grams, and for each meal we do consume other vegetables, that is 100 into 3, and the calories is 120. And again fats, it is the recommendation of the ICMR that least you must take 30 ml of visible fat, so that your essential fatty acids requirement and other requirements should be fulfilled. In Western countries, the intake of fat is even more, 60 to 70 grams per day or even more. But in India, the recommendation is 30 and we take that much only. So 30 into 9 becomes 270 kilocalories, and sugar is not, that much essential. Sugar is not considered to be healthy, but suppose that if you are taking 3 cups of tea, then at least 15 gram of sugar you are taking, and 15 into 4 is 60 kilocalories. So this is the easiest way to calculate the energy requirement of a person. And we have, see, you have to consider food groups also. You have to give 1 exchange of fruit every day. You have to give at least 3 exchange of other vegetables. You have to give at least half to 1 exchange of green leafy vegetables. And then after, cereals is adjusted according to the person's activity. The person is moderate or sedentary or heavy worker, the cereal is being adjusted, the rest will be constant. Okay. And one very nice thing about the other vegetables and green leafy vegetables, you can eat as much as you can, because there is no risk of extra calories and all. It is loaded with vitamins and minerals, so it is fine. So this is all. I think you all must have understood. If anyone has any kind of queries, you may ask. Okay. If not in the class, then you can ask for questions in comment section. And listen, I will not answer you in the comment section. I will answer you in the next class. It is easy for me. For other viewers, okay, it may be like that I can make another video for their queries. It may be, but for you, we will meet in the next class. Your queries will be quenched out. Okay. And this is all. Thank you so much. And if you like the channel, kindly subscribe it, share it and like it. Thank you.